Use a polymer-modified thinset mortar for laundry room tile floors to ensure strong, water-resistant, and bond-flexible adhesion. For most ceramic and porcelain tiles, choose a premium polymer-modified thinset mortar and mix it to the manufacturer recommended consistency. Trowel the correct notch size for the tile back and bed thickness, and back butter large or heavy tiles to eliminate voids. For moisture-prone floors, consider using a thinset formulated for wet areas, which contains added latex or polymers that improve bond strength and water resistance. When installing over plywood subfloors, apply a cement backer board or a suitable uncoupling membrane to prevent movement and keep thinset intact. And always use corrosion-resistant screws and tape the seams with alkali-resistant mesh tape. For small repairs or very light-duty installations, a high-quality premixed adhesive can work, but do not use it on floors with continuous moisture or heavy loads because premixed products lack the long-term tensile strength of thinset. For natural stone or soft tiles, consult the tile supplier and select a thinset rated for that stone and for exterior-grade moisture exposure when required, since some stones need a white, non-staining mortar or an epoxy-based adhesive. Always follow pot life and cure time instructions. Keep the substrate clean and flat within manufacturer limits, and perform a simple spot test by pressing a tile after initial set to confirm adequate transfer of mortar. The most common mistakes are using a pre-mixed adhesive on a floor that sees regular moisture, which leads to bond failure and tile loosening, so switch to a polymer-modified thinset designed for wet environments. Another frequent issue is inadequate substrate preparation, such as not removing old adhesive or not flattening the floor, which causes hollow spots and tile cracking, so scrape, grind, or skim coat as needed to create a sound, level base. A third problem is incorrect trowel size and poor mortar coverage, causing lippage and premature failure, so match trowel notch size to tile size, back butter large format tiles, and check for 100% transfer with random lift checks. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a community discussion area where we share experiences, ask questions, and compare product performance related to tile adhesives and installations. We help contractors find leads and homeowners find installers while fostering practical peer advice and project feedback.